Try as we might, humans do not control nature. Nature rules over us. Mother Nature cannot be tamed, only revered and repaid. The appreciation for the feminine divine has been so entrenched in our Americas that the spiritual conquest, with all its European masculinity, could merely redirect that reverence to other mother figures. In Venezuela and Colombia, she's called Our Lady of Chiquinquirá. In Argentina, she's Our Lady of Luján. In Bolivia, she's Our Lady of Copacabana. In the United States, she's Our Lady of America. In Cuba, she's Our Lady of El Cobre. And in Mexico, she's Our Lady of Guadalupe, who inspires and attracts thousands of pilgrims every year, and whose majestic basilica stands today precisely on the same location once used to worship Tonantzin a long time ago.